We'll be reading for the sign of Aries for the month of May. So what you guys can expect right from now until the first 2 weeks of May 2020. So I hope you guys are doing well. First card we have for you is Judgment in the reverse. So some of you are not completely sure of giving someone a second chance. Okay, based on whatever you guys have gone through, you feel like it is better for you to stay where you are or to do what you are doing right now and not really give someone a second shot. Okay, with Nine of Swords, I see you having problems with sleep, not getting proper sleep. Some of you might even be going through some bad dreams or nightmares. Okay, there's a lot of stress that you guys are going through. You guys are basically overthinking a lot. Okay, so what's the overall focus going to be for Aries for the month of May, Spirit? What's the overall focus going to be for Aries for the month of May? One card for that. Overall focus, I see you just working on yourself with Eight of Pentacles here. Okay, you're trying to just do yourself, just working on your pentacles, your career, your goals, your passion. So you're going to just stay focused on yourself. If you have a family, then I see you being focused on your family. If you are single, I just see you doing your own thing. Okay, not really staying being bothered about the past or anything. Yes, you have issues. Yes, you're going through sleepless nights, but I see you not really wanting to fix anything, just staying where you are and just doing yourself. Okay, so in terms of the past, Spirit, give me one card for Aries past energy. One card for Aries past energy. In the past, we have Knight of Cups. So someone might have come towards you or was wanting to make a connection or trying to reconnect with you. Someone did open up to you regarding their feelings and someone did want to start something with you. Okay, but you felt like this person would put you into a third party or would just, try to start something and then just keep you waiting or to keep you strangled as such. But I see a third party situation. The person who was coming towards you did not have long-term plans with you. This person wanted to keep you as an option. Okay, the past person. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, I see them not really wanting to give you much, like giving you breadcrumbs and wanting to keep you satisfied within that only. Okay, so give me one card for like what's really coming towards you now. One card for what's really coming towards Aries now, Spirit. One card for what's really coming towards Aries. What's next for Aries? Right now, I do not see relationships working for you. Okay, you guys are basically going through a breakup phase or you guys are going through a healing phase with Three of Swords. Okay, you are going through the separation phase right now. No kidding. Okay, overall energy is being Ace of Pentacles. So you're wanting new beginnings now. You have nothing to do with the past. Okay, you are not wanting to do anything. With Three of Swords, I do not see anything happening in the past in terms of things working for you. You have better chances of new beginnings than the past relationships working for you. Okay, the Spirit, give me one card for what's the overall energy going to be like for Aries moving forward in the month of May. What's the overall energy going to be like for Aries and their soulmate moving forward in the month of May? One card for that. Throughout the month of May, I see you holding back, just sticking to yourself, not really doing much, and just holding back. I do not see you doing or wanting to work out relationships or soulmate relationships. Yes, you have plenty of options, but I do not see you doing much. I see you just wanting to stay by yourself and not really do much about it. Okay, with Four of Pentacles. In terms of Aries soulmate, how are they possibly coming forward towards Aries? What's the energy going to be like towards Aries in the month of May, Spirit? One card for how is the Aries soulmate possibly coming forward towards Aries? What's the energy going to be like towards Aries? Ace of Swords, this person does want to communicate. This person wants to speak the truth now. With the Emperor card, they want to take control now. They want to speak their mind with Ace of Swords. And you might get to hear something that they were wanting to say for the past many weeks. Okay, with Judgment card, this person will finally make the decision of speaking their truth, speaking their mind. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. Aries soulmates intentions towards Aries, Spirit. One card for Aries soulmates intentions towards Aries in the month of May. With Four of Wands, this person does want a stable beginning with you. Okay, that's their intention. I'm not saying that they are wanting to do this. This person is someone you've already known, like a friend, like a colleague, someone from the past. Okay, with Six of Cups. For selected few of you, this person might be someone from your workspace as well. Okay, could be a possibility. But I see that this person, whoever is coming towards you, is genuinely wanting to move things forward with you. Okay, this new person. Okay, like not the past person. So one card for their feelings towards you, one card for their feelings towards you, Aries soulmate. One card for their feelings towards you. In terms of Seven of Pentacles, you have kept this person waiting. Okay, this person might have already like wanted to open up about their feelings towards you, and you have kept them waiting. With Ten of Pentacles, this is something for some of you, selected few of you. This person has just gone through an ending, like a recent ending in another relationship, or possibly. Okay, and they are wanting to move things forward with you. Okay, this person has just been out of a recent relationship. Okay. One card for how do they truly feel about you. One card for how does the soulmate really feel about Aries spirit. One card for like how do they truly feel for Aries. I see them still like having feelings for you, but still staying emotionally detached from you. Bottom card is Ace of Cups, so they do have feelings for you, but they'll stay emotionally detached. Like they would not invest like openly. They will want you to take action or you to open up. I believe that this person in some which way must have already like like given you a hint that they have feelings for you. Okay, top card is Nine of Cups. Yeah, they do want you. Okay, bottom card is Ace of Cups, so they do want you, but I do not see them investing emotionally. Like they'll wait for you. They'll wait for you to take action. They'll wait for you to communicate. I do not see them willingly like investing emotionally. Okay, so what you can expect from this person now? What you can possibly expect from this person now? Aries, what you can possibly expect from this person now? With Six of Cups, this person wants to reconnect with you or revive with you or start a relationship with you. With Six of Wands, they want your attention. They very much want your attention. For selected few of you, you might have hurt this person with your words because we do have 10 of Swords here. So for some of you, you might have hurt them or you might have rejected them in some which way. Okay. So what are you waiting for? One card for what are you waiting for, Aries? What's Aries waiting for now, the month of May? I do not see you taking any offer in the month of May. I see you taking your time. I believe you want to heal before you start another relationship. With Four of Cups, I believe you have more than 2 options, more than 3 options for selected few of you. And you are not really opening up, or you are not really wanting to open up much. You will take a lot of time. Some of you even 2 weeks and more like before wanting to open up. Okay, for some of you, I'd say that you might not even want to date for the next 2-3 months. Okay. With Chariot card, you are wanting to move past the past now. Okay, like if you have gone through a breakup in the recent past, then you're wanting to move on from that. You are not really wanting to restart a relationship and just, go with the flow. I believe you want to heal with Four of Cups. You are you are basically showing disinterest towards relationships and offers. Okay. One card for like what do they possibly want from you now? Aries soulmate, what do they possibly want from you now? This person wants to move things forward with you with the Chariot card. They possibly want you to make the move. They want you to move things forward. They want you to move forward towards them. With the Knight of Wands, they want you to show interest basically. With Ten of Pentacles, some of them might even want to get into a commitment. Some of them, not all of them, some of them. Okay. So what action are they possibly wanting you to take towards them now? What action are they possibly wanting you to take towards them now? Overall energy, I see them wanting you to make a move towards them. For selected few of you, your person wants you to end something from the past. If you have a prior connection to them or you had a recent breakup, then they are wanting you to end that cycle. Okay, and for some of you, this person is wanting to grow with you. They want to grow things with you, like start a relationship and possibly see where things can go with you. Okay, with Three of Cups, this person very much wants to reunite with you. So where is this connection possibly moving forward? Where is this connection possibly moving forward between Aries and their soulmate? Where this connection is possibly going to move forward between Aries and their soulmate? It's going to be very dicey, very up and down. I believe that some of you are still stuck on the past. You are not really wanting to make a move. So you holding back will hold this relationship back. Okay. Some of you are still not over the past. Okay. Truth be told, some of you are still not over the past, and you are like basically wanting to heal, and you are not wanting to hurry in any which way. So you want to really jump into another relationship. So that's something I see for now. Okay. So one card for one card for advice for Aries. One card for advice for Aries moving forward. What does Aries need to do in order to move forward in relationship or connection or life? With Knight of Wands, darling, I do feel that this person, whoever is coming towards you, you do have interest towards them, like you are physically attracted to them. Okay, but I still see on some which level that you will hold back. Okay, so I just want you to go with the flow. Don't really have a certain plan as such. Just go with the flow. Just enjoy the space. Just enjoy the connection. Okay, with Judgment card, you need to make a decision now. Holding back and running away from something is not going to be good for you. Okay, if you really want to heal, you need to heal. But if you are just running away from relationships because you are scared of it, then that's not the way. So I believe you need to go with the flow. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Aries. I do not see you getting into a relationship at least for the next 2 weeks. I see you holding back. You're not sure if you should or you should not. And yeah, this was your reading, and if you have resonated, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and thank you for all your likes, your support so far. God bless.